Hi, welcome to my channel. I've got an unboxing video for you, and this time is a mask time. So this is September mask time. As you can see, I've got two boxes, which I'll explain in a little while. So if you're new to my channel, or if you haven't seen my mask time videos previously, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. If you have seen them before and you want to skip right through to the actual seeing the content, then I will add a timestamp down below so you can skip forward and watch what I actually get in these boxes. But if not, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. As the name suggests, really, it is a mask, Korean sheet mask subscription box. Shipping is free within the UK, but they also ship worldwide. So on their website, they have got a drop-down menu. So if you're interested in any of their boxes or subscriptions, look for the country and it'll give you the cost of the shipping. So I think that's really lovely. So more and more subscription boxes are available worldwide, which is fab. So as you can see, I've got two here. So this larger one is the Glow Setter, and this costs £24.99 a month. You can cancel any time. As I said, shipping is free within the UK. So inside you get 8 to 10 masks and you get the odd bonus freebie as well. So if you don't fancy the larger subscription, they do offer a smaller subscription. I will open them up and I'll show you what's inside. But this one is called a Glow Starter, and inside you receive 4 masks and it'll cost you £9.95 a month. And also you get the odd freebie in there as well. On the website, they also do one-off boxes, and they've started to bring out SOS boxes, which for £15, not a subscription by the way, just for £15, you can just buy the box that suits your skin type. So SOS combination skin, SOS for dry, and the boxes like that, which is fabulous. So I link all the details down below, so click on the show more and that'll bring a description, and everything related to this amazing subscription box will be down there. On their website, I spotted earlier on that they do offer a 10% discount off your first box, and that is called First 10, I think, anyway. So I'll link that down below as well. So what are these boxes then? So these are cruelty free. They are new, up and coming Korean favourites and bestsellers. They're trending masks, and all masks have been tested before they are curated to make sure they are the top quality. They are top quality, I should say, and they are suitable for all skin types. So I love it. I love a sheet mask. I absolutely love it. So let's open them up and show you. So I'll start off with the starter box, and that's what the packaging looks like there. So you get a little leaflet in here, and it just says Masktime. It's got the social media sites, and it just says a big thank you. So that's there, and that's how the packaging looks like inside. So really pretty, and those are the masks, really pretty colours, pastel colours. Whoop. So we've got, I think we've got a freebie there. I'll just grab them all. We get another little leaflet here telling you about this box. It's the summer box, and it says this month we are focusing on taking care of any irritation and bringing the moisture back to our endless glow. In every box you get a leaflet, and it outlines all the masks, and because a lot of them are not in English on the back, so they tell you what the masks are, how to use them and what they're for, which is really good. Also they give you a price, so I'll tot up the price at the end to give you an overall value for this box. So we've got a freebie as well. So our little freebie is called Plus Tem UV Perfect Block Essence. Ooh, and SPF 50 plus. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see there. So it's a little sample there. So I'll just go through them individually very quickly. So I'm aware I've got a lot of masks to go through in this video. So the first mask, which is this one here, and this says this is a Aeol Pore and Spot Care Mask. Recommended retail price is £3.50. Say goodbye to bad skin days with Aeol's Pore and Spot Care Mask. Ulmus davidiana root extract is an amazing moisturising ingredient as it boosts skin's hydration levels. It's also an anti-inflammatory with photoprotective properties. Helps protect from sun damage. Beauaria lobata root extract helps to brighten your overall skin tone and help lighten pigmentation caused by blemishes and acne scarring. This sounds great actually for me, I'm thinking, but I apologise if I'm completely slating these words. My mispronunciation is renowned on this channel, and yeah, I'm really sorry. I will write down what mask is in each box down below, so if you want to read more about it on the website, then you can do so. So the next one is Proud Mary, and this is a cereal pore mask, and the recommended retail price is £3.95. It says the Castanea crenata extract improves the texture of the skin while providing anti-aging benefits. Peppermint leaf extract gives a cooling sensation whilst also helping to tighten pores and to balance oils, preventing blemishes. Lavender flower extract is an antiseptic and antifungal. It helps to combat bacteria, heal wounds and prevent breakouts. I love a pore mask. Love the packaging on this. Icing Sweet Bar. So this is a Pure Icing Sweet Bar Sheet Mask Watermelon, and the recommended retail price for this mask is £3. It says containing 2000 ppm of deep sea water to help soothe and moisturise skin. The 200 ppm of watermelon extract is rich in vitamin C, amino acids and lycopene, which cleanses skin, exfoliates and promotes cell regeneration. And then our last one is a banana milk mask pack. Oh, wow. So this is Dr. Plus, and the recommended retail price for this is £4. The milky essence helps to balance water content in the skin and helps to retain moisture just after one use. Lactic acid reduces pigmentation, heals acne and relieves sunburn. Your skin will thank you for this yummy mask. So totting it all up, it comes to £14.50, plus we've got this extra little freebie there. So the box is definitely less than what you would pay for these masks individually. So no, really nice mask actually. I think if you like a mask and you like to do it say once a week or something like that, then I think this mini one would be perfect for you. As I said, it's about £10 a month and you can cancel any time. I really like that. So on to the Glow Setter. So this one contains 8 to 10 masks, similar sort of packaging. You've got a thank you card. Let's open it up. And then we've got a leaflet, and then exactly the same as the other one, explaining what the summer mask kit is all about. And then these are all the masks. I'm going to go through them as quick as I can, but as I said with the last box, I will link them all down below so you can check them out. You can check them out in more detail online. So we have got 10 masks in this box. So this box costs £24.99, so a little bit more expensive than the mini one, but obviously you're getting like more than double the amount of masks. So we start off with the first one, and this is a hydrating care mask. And this is Root Tree Therapy Facial Mask Hydrating Care, and the recommended retail price for this is £3.50. It says Root Tree is a natural cosmetic brand made with 100% organic products and eco-friendly materials containing extracts of nutmeg tree from Jeju Millennium Forest. It helps not only with pore care but also deep moisturising, a burst of nourishment for parched skin. So that's number one. Oh, I've just seen that we've got a free item. This is a Keep Cool Ocean Cream Refreshing and Moisturising. Ooh. There's no information on the freebie items, so what would that be? Keep Cool Ocean Cream, Refreshing and Moisturising. I'm not too sure, it's all in Korean on the back, but I'll have to see if I can find out online. So the next item is a Re-DNA, and it's 10% ampule up. I'll just show you. So there, this is by Dracell, hopefully you can see there with the light. So this is a DNA Medi-Sheet Renew Mask. Recommended retail price for this mask is £4.50. This mask deeply moisturises, keeping skin soft and smooth as fermented yeast is rich in amino acids and oxidants to help soothe and calm irritated skin that's seeing an overly healthy dose of the sun. So that's number two. This might go with a freebie item. So this is the Keep Cool. What's it saying? Keep Cool and Soothe mask. It looks pretty cool. So this is by Adeline, and this recommended retail price for this is £3. And it says infused with natural forest botanicals including bamboo, pine or cinnabar, ginger root and Centella asiatica. This intensive soothing second skin mask from Adeline will help ease skin that is prone to flare-ups and sensitivity. Additional benefits include targeting redness, improving firmness and giving it a glow to dull uneven skin. So that's that one. Then we've got Vital Hydra Solution. That's there. So this is by Dr. Jart. And this is a Derma Mask Water Jet Vital Hydra Solution. Recommended retail price is £4.50. Now Dr. Jart do those rubber masks. I've wanted to try one, but I haven't tried one yet. But no, they look pretty cool. So featuring Aquaxyl, a patent moisturising ingredient, it immediately hydrates dry skin and strengthens barrier function. Ultra low molecule weight hyaluronic acid activates moisture with high absorption, and seaweed extract, which contains alginicides. I'm sorry. Effectively removes impurities. Perfect for that after summer pick-me-up. Oh gosh. That's that one. Oh, this one looks lovely. I love anything that is fruity, but it's, oh, melon. I love melons. So that one's there. So this is Pure Watermelon Slice Sheet Mask. Recommend retail price is £3. The Tensil Hypoallergenic Patches disguised as watermelon slices help hydrate and soothe the skin with hyaluronic acid to moisturize dry skin. Honey extract used to nourish and 10,000 ppm of watermelon extract firms and revitalize tired and sensitive skin. The patches are a great way to concentrate on areas of concern. You can also place on your body too for those areas that are dry and need some TLC. Contains 6 patches in 2 different sizes. Oh wow! Oh, that is such a good mask. Oh, you can see on the back there. Hopefully you can see there different ways of applying it. Oh no, I can't wait to try that one. So next one looks super cool. What is this? Firming Gold Glow Mask. 24 karat gold. Wow. So that's what that looks like there. So this is by Frame Vita, and the recommended retail price for this mask is £3.95. Infused with 20 ppm of 24 karat gold, this luxury firming gold mask purifies and detoxifies your skin to bring you a bright and radiant complexion. The airless black suction sheet adheres magically to your skin, allowing no air gaps for full absorption of product. The black sheet contains real gold flakes sprinkled throughout the mask, so not only does it look pretty, it provides firming care, leaving you with vibrant skin. No, I can't wait to try that one. Then we've got a very smart looking one, and I can't read it, so I'll just show it to you. That's what that says there. So this is a Chalins de Paris Masque de Luna, and the recommended retail price for this is £4.50. This is a multifunctional 100% cotton sheet mask that is specially formulated to improve skin blemishes, calm acne, redness and reduce minor acne scars. It can also help repair and regenerate skin cells. The main functions of this mask is to soothe and calm with Centella asiatica extracts. It repairs and regenerates using adenosine, a yeast-derived ingredient that forms a protective barrier around the skin. That sounds really lovely. So our 8th mask is Jelly Me Mask Pack. There you go. And this is FG Beauty Jelly Me Mask Pack. Recommended retail price is £4. The key ingredient, Grandiflorus Cactus Extract, aka Cactus Flower Extract, has antioxidant properties that protect the skin from free radicals, which will aid in preventing wrinkles and fine lines. Other ingredients include niacinamide for pore care and brightening, adenosine for wrinkle care, and squalene to prevent UV damage and promote cell growth. I know, that sounds really good as well. So that's the next one. This is number 9. This is Skinowin, and it's Martini Pack. You feel tipsy? This is made for me, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Right, okay. If you didn't know, I do like a drink. Not often, but now and again I do. And the recommended retail price for this is £3.50. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCC that fights DNA damage from UV rays, helping to prevent skin cancer. A great anti-aging ingredient, and we love it in skincare. The olive extract is an anti-inflammatory, helping to calm irritated skin. Whilst nourishing, this is definitely one not just for happy hour. So it helps in clearing away bacteria that sits on the skin's surface. So no, that's that. And then our very last one looks like a little probiotic bottle. And what's this one called? It's called Skin Bonnie, and it's a yogurt mask pack, and the recommended retail price is £3. It said, inspired by popular drinkable yogurt that many Korean kids grew up with, just like the drink, the sheet mask contains beneficial fermentation extracts such as bifida, lactobacillus and lactococcus fermentation extracts that nourish and hydrate the skin. The lactic acid helps to dissolve dead skin cells, providing a gentle exfoliation that minimizes breakouts. The green tea extracts help add nutrients while firming and moisturizing at the same time, formulated to help the skin maintain its ideal pH of 5.5 for healthier, smoother complexion. So I'll just gather them all up and come back to you. So I can't show them all properly, but there's 10 masks in this month's box. So the total value comes to around £36, so above the £24.95 actual box that you receive. So some really great masks there, some really interesting ones to try. I think the one that stands out for me are these slices. I think that sounds quite lovely, quite simple but quite lovely, but no, lots there. So now I'm going to be busy. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you already get it, I'd love to know your thoughts, or if you don't, I'd love to know your thoughts anyway, what you think of this subscription box. It's a little bit different to your beauty ones. Obviously it's sheet masks, it is beauty, but having an actual subscription box of just masks I think is brilliant. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.